Hey everyone! In this video, you'll be using Autodesk Eagle in order to make a simple circuit based on MOSFET as a switch setup. But first let me show you how you can download Autodesk Eagle. Open Autodesk Eagle website and click on the download page. Then choose your operating system and bang! You're almost done with this. Now install it. After installing, just sign in by creating a Autodesk login ID. After login you will see this control panel. Now go to New, and create a new schematics. This is your schematics file in which you will make schematics of your board and then convert this into a board file. Now click on Add Component button and choose whatever component you need. In my case I need LEDs, resistor, MOSFET, and 3-pin headers, so I am going to select them from this menu and place them one by one. Placing components is easy. You just need to click on them and drag them to schematics page and then drop as many number of components as you like. Like I need 8 LEDs in total, so I am gonna drag and click 8 times on schematics page. Now click on Connect Net button and start connecting your components according to your need, just like I am connecting these LED in parallel, so all these LED can be drive from 3.3 volts. Now click on this button and your board file will get generated by your schematics file. Arrange all the components in such way that all your C lines can get connected without crossing each other. After this, click on this C line button and start connecting footprints of components with each other. These are called C-line and they are PCB traces which connect 2 or more components together. Just do as I do and observe carefully. After this step, all that left is to create Gerber file which we can later give to PCB manufacturing companies. For this, go to File menu, and click CAM Processor. you will see this window in which you can see PCB traces for your board. Click on Process Job and then select the destination folder for your Gerber data. These are Gerber data that we have just generated, and by using this data, PCB manufacturing company create PCB by CNC milling machines and stuff. And we're done. This was easy, right? By this way you can design all kind of basic PCB which you need for your school/college projects. After mastering Autodesk Eagle, you can migrate to a more superior, complex and professional PCB designing software which even let you make your own electronic component and add it to your design. But anyway, I hope this was helpful. If yes, leave a like or a comment and subscribe. Adios fellas, and I will see you next time.